Have you ever wondered whether there might be a universe where you were never born, where everything about your life is completely different or doesn't exist at all? This question brings us to one of the most intriguing frontiers in modern physics, the multiverse theory. It's a concept that challenges everything we know about existence, identity, and the nature of reality. The idea of a multiverse suggests that our universe is not the only one. Instead, there could be an infinite number of universes, each with its own version of reality. These other universes might have different laws of physics, alternate histories, or parallel timelines in which events unfold differently. Within this framework, the possibility arises that there is a universe where you were never born, or where you made entirely different life choices. One version of this idea is the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. According to this view, every decision, every action, and even every particle interaction spawns multiple outcomes, each in its own universe. When you flip a coin, there's a universe where it lands heads and another where it lands tails. In some timelines you exist, in others you don't. Now, what does this mean for your existence? In many of these branching realities, the conditions that led to your birth, your parents' meeting, specific decisions they made, genetic outcomes, may never align. This means in countless universes, you never came into being. On the other hand, in other timelines, versions of you may have lived radically different lives. A different job, a different country, even a different personality. But it goes deeper. Some cosmological theories suggest that entire universes could exist with different fundamental constants, like the strength of gravity or the speed of light. In those cases, life as we know it might not be possible at all. These realities may never allow stars to form or atoms to bind together. In such universes, not only would you not exist, but neither would anyone else. Is there any scientific evidence for this? At the moment, multiverse theories remain speculative. They arise from mathematical models and quantum mechanics but haven't been directly observed. Still, some physicists consider them plausible, especially in the context of cosmic inflation theory, which describes how the early universe expanded rapidly. This expansion could have created bubbles, each a universe with its own unique properties. Interestingly, if the multiverse exists, then the absence of your existence in another universe is not just possible, it's almost guaranteed. With infinite combinations of conditions and outcomes, the chance of you existing in every universe is practically zero. You are the product of a specific chain of events, finely tuned and incredibly rare. From a philosophical standpoint, this idea is both humbling and mind-expanding. It challenges our notions of self, purpose, and reality. If you don't exist in another universe, does that version of reality lose something? Or are you simply one expression of consciousness among infinite possibilities? Some theories even propose that these alternate universes may, in rare cases, interact or influence each other. While there's no hard evidence for this yet, it opens the door to even more complex questions. Could we ever detect a universe where we don't exist? Could quantum anomalies hint at their presence? While the science is still developing, these concepts are more than just science fiction. They represent a genuine attempt to understand the full scope of reality, how vast, strange, and beautiful the cosmos may truly be. And within this vast multiverse, your existence, while extraordinary, is just one of many possibilities. So, is there a universe where you never existed? Based on what we know or think we know, the answer is likely yes. But instead of feeling insignificant, this realization can be empowering. Out of infinite outcomes, you exist here, now, in this universe, living a life that no other version of reality can replicate. If you find these cosmic questions fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of space, time, and existence.